Welcome to my kitchen. Good choice. One day, I was having Korean instant ramen, the Buldak Bokkeum Myun. You know, the really spicy one. Actually, it was nice.
Nice.
But tasted like something missing.
But something missing in here. Something...
And I think that I can make better one than this.
Oh! Okay, I can do this. I can do this.
So this is the first episode of Better Choice. The better than original. Let's get started. First of all, before we remake the food, we need to know about the original one, the real Buldak Bokkeum Myun. The black one is normal one and red one is double extra spicy version.
Good choice.
Let's start to make original Buldak Bokkeum Myun. Prepare the pot with water and boil. Open package. Put noodle in. Pot is a little bit small but doesn't matter. Cooking the noodle. Drain out the water. Put sauce and mix well. And put dry ingredients just before plating. Now, this is the original Buldak Bokkeum Myun, the spiciest instant noodle in the world. You can search on Google, but now let me show you my version of Buldak Bokkeum Myun.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe.
Thank you.
First, to understand the food, we need to read the information on the package. Okay, I got the idea about recipe. Let's prepare the vegetables. Slice 1 small onion, half carrot, not too thick, otherwise does not cook enough. Broccolini, cut off the end part and cut twice. Chop some spring onion for finishing. Sauce is really important but simple. I put gochujang, the Korean chili paste, Gochugatu, Korean chili powder, soy sauce, sugar, and white pepper. I used the white one cause it tastes sharper than black one. Next, capsaicin. You can find this in any Korean mart, but be careful, this is so dangerous item. This is chili extract, spicy like fire. So try not to touch ice after touch this. And these items are optional, but will give extra smoky flavor. Chipotle and paprika, both smoked. I know this is not Korean item, but have full of smokiness in it, trust me. Smoky flavor is key of spicy food. Buldak Bokkeum Myun tastes like chicken stock powder in it. But I used real chicken instead, so taste can be a little bit different.
Good choice.
Now, prepare stove and pan. Apply oil and cook garlic and ginger. Once they are cooked, put chicken mince in and break it apart. Add carrot and quickly saute. It seems a bit dry, so I add a little bit of water and turn down the fire to medium. Now, add the sauce and stir nicely. Add the onion and broccolini.
Good choice.
Meanwhile, I'm boiling the water in small pot for plain ramen noodle, but it was so slow. I covered the pot with ingredient plate and finally got boiling water. It was okay for cooking original Buldak Bokkeum Myun. Doesn't help me at all. Put noodle in, but wait. We don't cook noodle 100% at this stage. Remember, we cook one more time in the pan again. So check with your tongues, and once the noodle becomes soft, drain out. About al dente stage. And put into the pan and mix again. About same time as broccolini in. And cook the noodle about a minute. Just keep stir on hot pan. Once the noodle is finished, now food is ready. I put some seaweed flake sesame, and spring onion. But this is not all. For better flavor, I cook fried egg, put quite a lot of oil and crack egg into the pan. Cause I like Asian style fried egg. You know, outside edge is crispy, but yolk is still runny. Once the egg is done, put on the pan and drizzle of sesame oil. Now, finally, my version of Buldak Bokkeum Myun is ready.
So today's recipe is first video of better choice. So I made Buldak Bokkeum Myun. It looked like a spicy stir-fried noodle, which is supposed to be, because name Buldak Bokkeum Myun. Bul is fire, dak is chicken, bokkeum is stir-fry, and myun is noodle. So name is spiced chicken stir-fried noodle, which I made properly today. So let me try.
Hey chef, that's not fair.
What?
Packaging one doesn't come with eggs. Unfair.
Unfair? Okay. First of all, I can see real meat inside. It smells like quite spicy, but also I can smell other things as well, like gochugatu, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and everything, and other vegetables as well. Oh, spicy. I can taste real chicken. I can taste the real chicken, which is so nice. And other vegetables still so crunchy and soft inside perfectly. So most important thing is it shouldn't be just spicy. It must be tasty spicy. So should has like, you know, salty flavor, sweet flavor, and also spicy, little bit of umami, the flavor from the meat. I feel like I'm tasting real food. Can I have an egg now? Yeah, you know what to do. Break the egg yolk. Oh, the creamy egg yolk with spicy noodle, just perfect. Try this at home. I'm sure you will love it.
Chef, why are you crying?
It's so spicy,
Then stop eating.
but it's too nice.
Good choice.